All right, what's going on, everyone? Mr. Ladd here with a quick little detail tip trick for the channel. It's going to be low production. It's going to be all efficiency. So here we go. I'm working on a black Honda CR-V in direct sunlight. It's not hot outside, but it's black paint. So when I put my fingers up to it, like anywhere past that 4 to 5 second mark, I got to remove my fingers. So I have a tip to kind of help you with using spray sealants and spray waxes and everything for direct sunlight. So like I said, black Honda CR-V, direct sunlight. It's probably close to 80 degrees outside, and I've used this method in harder climates and everything, and it definitely does work. Just maybe use it in smaller sections. So what I have is a bucket. You see to the bottom left, right over here, I got a bucket there. I have DIY Details Rinseless Wash in there. I actually did a rinseless wash on the vehicle. Now I'm doing the last step with the protection, kind of the quick detailer step. But I want to leave behind a suitable layer of protection. So I've got the DIY Details rinseless wash there, just a little bit left in there. I've got one of their kind of like hand size microfiber towels, and I have DIY Details ceramic gloss. Now you could go ahead and take your wash mitt, of course, and you can take the wash mitt and apply the ceramic gloss while you're doing the actual washing process and use it as a drying aid. However, I didn't do that this time. I went ahead and just used the rinseless wash and clean the vehicle, and now I'm doing the protection step completely separate from the actual initial wash. And so instead of using a wash mitt, I'm actually using a microfiber towel. And this is the same towel that I actually, I've used it multiple times before. The cool thing about DIY Details Rinseless Wash is that this product is, it's a surfactant, so it's a really, really effective cleaner. So I have a pre-soaked, whatever, treated towel. Bring it out nice and good. Put the towel in fours. And I'm going to take the ceramic gloss. Now, this is going to be a very, very quick deal. The ceramic gloss, I'm going to do 2 sprays in the towel. And I'm going to go ahead and take the towel, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply. And as I'm applying, I'm following behind with the drying towel, the twisted loop microfiber drying towel. And right there, I now have protection on the vehicle. It's nice and slick, very smooth to the touch. It's a great method. Let me go ahead and take you over to another panel, and I can kind of show you how this works. Let's adjust the camera over here. I'm gonna move you back a little bit. Got a little crooked thing going on over here. There we go. Now you can definitely do this on windows as well. So what I'm going to do, I don't have to do this, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and put the towel back in the bucket, bring it out. Now, if you wanted to take your ceramic gloss, or honestly, you can use this for most protectants, whatever protectant you want to use. If you want to go ahead and spray directly on the panel, you can. I'll do that for the window. 1 spray on the window. And let's hit the A-pillars and trim up here as well. And this is honestly a really convenient way. We're about to come into spring for some of you guys. I'm in South Florida, so already hitting almost the summer months. You know, it's a really convenient way of protecting a vehicle, detailing a vehicle, while still being able to work quickly, work efficiently. 1 spray right there. You know, it's such an easy way to do it. Honestly, I know a lot of people are afraid of the rinseless wash method. However, I've done it quite a bit. And the thing that rinseless wash and a lot of other rinseless type products, a thing that they do is that they leave polymers behind, which this is more of a surfactant based rinseless wash, but there are still polymers inside the product, and it's gonna dry on the panel. Of course it's gonna dry on the panel. Every product dries on the panel as you're working. However, the polymers and the chemicals inside of the rinseless wash help it, so even when it dries and it looks like water spots, it removes easily. Whatever product you use, it's going to dry, but it removes easily. So honestly, guys, this is a really, really great tip. You can do it on the wheels, definitely not the tires, but you can do it on the wheels, at the rims, glass, the paint, the trim of the vehicle. Honestly, this is a really easy way of protecting a vehicle, moving around a vehicle very quickly. And it's as simple as just 2 towels, an application towel, and another towel to remove. I love these mini twisted loop towels from DIY Detail. It's great. Rinseless wash, great. I got the version 2.0. Thank you, DIY Detail, for sending it out, as well as ceramic gloss. Thank you again, DIY Detail, for sending these out. Great stuff, guys. I totally recommend it. I'm going to leave some links to DIY Detail's page in the description box below. Go ahead and pick it up. I'm going to try to get set up with Amazon affiliates over here. So if you want to purchase through the links I'll leave behind, get me a little credit or whatever. If you don't want to, that's quite all right. But I do recommend this method. You saw it worked on a black vehicle, direct sunlight, no spotting, no staining. It's hot panels. Here we go. Mr. Ladd signing out. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, wax the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. I talk too much.